Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 19th June 2025. Economic Outlook. Corporate lag to GDP. Top 1000 firms revenue rose 6.4% versus 9.8% GDP growth in FY25. Household trends rise. Microeconomic changes outpace GDP in reshaping Indian consumer behavior. Shipping self-reliance push. India's new maritime policy emphasizes domestic capabilities and resilience. Legal developments. Classroom scam raids. ED raids 37 sites in Delhi linked to 2,000 crore rupees classroom scam. BCCI faces 538 crore rupees blow. Bombay HC orders BCCI to pay defunct IPL team Kochi Tuskers 538 crore rupees. Banking and finance. Stancy derivative probe. RBI flags lapses in derivative sales, prompts exits at Standard Chartered. IndusInd gets buy tag. IndusInd stock surges 4.7% after Nomura upgrades post-audit scrutiny. South Indian Bank cuts. South Indian Bank reduces MCLR by 30 BPS effective 20th June. SBI exits Jio Payments. SBI sells Jio Payments Bank stake for 104.54 crore rupees to Jio Financial. ICAI to review firms. ICAI to complete IndusInd and Gencel audits within 6 months. Corporate finance. Tata Consumer eyes buys. Tata Consumer seeks acquisitions while pursuing organic growth. Wipro buys into Lock. Wipro Infra acquires majority stake in French firm Lock Group. Chalet eyes 5K rooms. Chalet Hotels plans to scale up to over 5,000 rooms soon. DLF sells 11,000 rupee CR homes. DLF sells 1,164 units for 11,000 crore rupees in Gurgaon's luxury project. Skoda approves 10,000 rupee CR. Skoda to invest 10,000 crore rupees to expand operations in India. GMR 14,000 rupee CR expansion. Hyderabad Airport to see 14,000 crore rupees expansion by FY31. International affairs. India-Canada reset. India, Canada resume trade talks, reappoint high commissioners. Trump, Modi tensions. Modi rebuffs Trump's claim of ceasefire mediation with Pakistan. Tax and compliances. Finteches warned on cyber. FM urges finteches to tackle cyber fraud threats via innovative tech. Cabinet backs grievances. PMO-style oversight proposed for grievance redressal systems. Investments and finance. Tata AI Trust setup. Tata to form trust, gives 1 crore rupees compensation per Air India victim. ESAF sells 735 crore rupees NPA. ESAF to sell 735 crore rupees bad loans to asset reconstruction firm. Spandana plans 750 crore rupees. Spandana explores rights issue to raise 750 crore rupees capital. 6 bets on Satcom. Vodafone Idea partners as to launch direct-to-device satellite internet. Tilaknagar targets $500 million. Tilaknagar to raise $500 million to acquire Imperial Blue brand. Financial markets. Sensex at 81K. Sensex ends at 81,444 and Nifty at 24,812 amid global pressure. ETF surge on dips. HNIs use ETFs to buy dips on Nifty drop days over 1%. Fed holds rates steady. Fed signals to rate cuts in 2025 amid internal divergence. Rupee hits 86 rupees and 56 paise. Rupee weakens to $86.56 due to hedging and oil price surge. Gold crosses 99,000 rupees. Gold jumps 306 rupee to reach 99,056 rupee per 10 grams.